My name is Jed McKeon, and today we're going to talk about when your case strategy changes in the middle of your case. Let me explain what happens. Oftentimes I have conversations with clients in the early parts of their case, and they'll ask me all of these questions, and I call it crystal balling. They'll say, well, what happens if this happens? Or what happens if they do this? Or what do we do in this situation? And I do my best to answer their questions, and at some point I get to the point of telling them this story. I say, look, when you're playing football and you have Patrick Mahomes on the other side and you're on defense, you assume he will pass the ball. So you put more defenders back deep. But if they come out and they start running the ball, you put more people up front to stop the run. The same happens on a case. We can prepare for a certain way that the case will go, but our strategy may change as the facts develop, as the case progresses, as things happen throughout the case. And that's very normal. And why I tell them this story is so they will understand that I can give them all the answers I can possibly think of on the front end, but the answers may change, and all the things I tell them, my answer may change depending on what happens. So if you're ever involved in a litigation, your lawyer may have a plan they come up with at the beginning of the case, but just know that it is possible that that strategy changes, and that's okay. You can find out more about this legal issue and other legal issues by going to my website, attorney-knoxville.com. You can also view my other YouTube videos.